Now today Nio is currently trading almost 1.5%. Now this comes after Nio, ladies and gents, officially unveiled the new Nio EC6, which the starting price is around 358,000 RMB or $49,200, which is $2,750,000 more than the, of course, ES6, which is the model or the SUV in Nio that is selling like cupcakes. Now you will know that the EC6 is one of the strategic model that Nio plans to have as many vehicles, or have it boost their deliveries on a month to month, because you will know that this very same model, which is the EC6, ET5 Touring and the ES6, are the models that Nio is currently trading to deliver around 15 to 20,000 deliveries on a month to month. And to finally get to see Nio, of course, coming out and announcing the starting price of this car at 358,000 RMB or Chinese yen with a battery makes me to be really excited, because they have sort of like strategically placed it, of course, against the ES6 and the EC7. Now you will know that the EC7 is still a bit expensive compared to the EC6 because of the dual motors that you find onto the EC7. You will know that with the EC7 you find dual motors of 180 kilowatts and 300 kilowatts on that model, whereas on this new EC6 the maximum power of the motors is 150 kilowatts and 210 kilowatts, which is something that shows you that in terms of the power, of course, the EC7 is still more powerful than this EC6. So to get to see it, Nio coming and announce this model 358,000 RMB, which is around $49,000, makes me to be really excited, because chances are we are going to get even more orders coming out from this model. Now the good thing as at today's official unveiling of this model is that Nio is going to start with the deliveries of the model, or of this EC6 model, tomorrow. And this is something that we are recently seeing on Nio, especially this year, because the kind of vehicles that they are unveiling this year, they are trying their almost best to make them available for deliveries as soon as possible. We saw this from the ES6, ET5 Touring, EC7, and now we are seeing it from the EC6, which is something that makes me to be really excited, because this is the model that come end of September, the vehicles, or the EC6 vehicles, will definitely be factored in when calculating the total number of vehicles that Nio generates for the month of September. So with bus or battery as a service, this model is going to start at around 288,000 RMB or Chinese yen, which is something that is good, because now with bus you get to pay just over $39,500, which is quite reasonable, right? Looking at the kind of the technology that you find on this car and the kind, of course, of a design that this car is. You will know that this EC6, or both the EC6 and the EC7, are coupe vehicles, which obviously they are the most beautiful, according to me, SUVs that you can find onto the Nio cars. You will know that a coupe, being it a sedan or of course an SUV, these kind of designs are usually beautiful, and to get to see it, Nio coming and price this car at just over 39,500 with battery as a service makes me to be really excited, because it will be competitive and bring in more customers. Otherwise, before I forget, the house rules, you're on that video, just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. So I really appreciate if you can just hit the likes button if you are enjoying the content that I'm giving you about Nio officially unveiling this $49,200 Catalyst today, which is expected to bring in or generate some good deliveries for Nio. And this is the new EC6. I'm very excited, because this is a car that we've been seeing it for some time on the streets of social media, and the sneak peeks of it and all that. The only thing that was outstanding was the price, and to get to finally see that the price was unveiled today makes me to be really excited. So hit that like button and subscribe, because Nio is one of the stocks that I talk a lot about, because I believe in their fundamentals and their future prospects, and those that are persevering throughout. Of course, this time we're seeing Nio trading at $10 per stock, or just over $10 per stock. They will be rewarded in the longer term, because this is a company that continues to do very well and its fundamentals continue growing. 360 kilowatt car that Nio just officially unveiled today, and I definitely believe that it will attract a lot of consumers into coming and wanting to buy it, because it is expected to sell or bringing some good sales out of Nio. And again, I will say that you will know that this new CEO is targeting to get 15,000 to 20,000 out of the ET5 Touring EC6 and of course the ES6. So this is one of the models that the Nio CEO is planning to sell as many vehicles as they can, and I believe that they will get to that no problem, because they've strategically priced this car or this model, which is something that of course personally I like, and I believe that that will boost the sales of Nio. So as I've just said, the announcement or this official unveiling of the EC6, it is a catalyst to Nio, because it will bring in more deliveries, as this is the model that is expected to do well in deliveries. So as with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click the notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing. And before you buy Nio for the very first time, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.